When I first got into this online business space, Google AdSense was brand new noon. Bago pa lang sila. This was back in 2006, 07. Yung mga content creator dyan, YouTuber dyan, AdSense is one of your main income streams, right? So back then, nag-just copy and paste lang ako ng small piece of code onto my website. I had a small online discussion forum, parang, Pinoy Exchange, to those of you mga nakaabot nun. And it's a small community. It's a Christian youth organization I was part of. And here's the funny part. Nakalimutan ko na naglagay pala ako ng AdSense dun sa website ko. Kasi may trabaho naman ako nun eh. And then one day, may dumating na check sa bahay. Physical check. Back then kasi hindi pa direct deposit eh. So I was like, ano to? Nakaprint sa envelope, Google. Pagbukas ko, it's $100 under my name. And that was my very first money na kinita ko actually online. Not because matalino ako, not because I have a big plan. I just saw something early and I tried it. Sinubukan ko.